Commercial window replacement Bucktown LA services are equally important for businesses that want to reduce drafts, lower utility costs, and create a more professional appearance. Window contractors in Bucktown, Louisiana can handle storefront updates, office building upgrades, and large-scale commercial window replacement Bucktown LA projects with durable custom windows and high-performance glass. From window sealing and window weatherproofing to complete window frame replacement and window glass replacement, local window installers Bucktown, Louisiana provide solutions that support both performance and presentation. Energy-efficient window replacement Bucktown LA is a smart upgrade for homes exposed to heat, humidity, and seasonal storms. New energy-saving windows Bucktown, Louisiana can help regulate indoor temperatures, reduce HVAC strain, and improve insulation throughout the year. Double pane window replacement. Bucktown, Louisiana is especially popular for homeowners seeking better sound reduction and thermal performance, while triple pane windows offer even greater efficiency for those who want a top-tier window upgrade. Window insulation and window sealing also play a key role in keeping conditioned air inside and hot, humid air outside. Vinyl window replacement Bucktown LA continues to be one of the most requested services because vinyl windows are low maintenance, long-lasting, and highly efficient. Vinyl windows work well for house window replacement Bucktown LA projects, residential window replacement Bucktown, Louisiana, and new construction alike. Many property owners also choose custom window replacement in Bucktown LA when standard sizes do not match older framing or when they want to enhance architectural style. Replacement windows in vinyl can be customized for performance, color, trim, and design preferences. Window repair is often the first step before a full replacement, especially when damage is limited to broken glass, worn seals, or minor frame issues. Emergency window repair Bucktown LA can help secure a home or business after storm damage, accidents, or break-ins. Window frame repair Bucktown, Louisiana is a practical option when the structure is still sound but the exterior needs reinforcement or restoration. In many cases, window glass replacement Bucktown LA is enough to restore safety and visibility without replacing the entire unit. Window replacement Bucktown LA should always be handled by experienced window contractors who understand local building conditions, moisture concerns, and energy demands. Local window installers Bucktown, Louisiana can recommend the best materials for your property, from double pane windows to triple pane windows, and from storm windows to custom windows. The right installation process ensures proper fit, long-term durability, and better results for window weatherproofing, window sealing, and overall insulation. Affordable window replacement Bucktown LA does not mean sacrificing quality. Homeowners can find cost-effective replacement windows that still deliver strong energy performance, attractive design, and dependable durability. Best window replacement company Bucktown, Louisiana options typically offer free estimates, product comparisons, and professional installation for everything from bay windows to sliding windows. Whether you need a modest window upgrade or a full home replacement windows project, there are solutions available to fit different budgets and performance goals. Bayou St. John area window replacement services are often sought by nearby homeowners who want to improve historic or older homes with modern efficiency. New Orleans window replacement near Bucktown remains in high demand because many properties in the greater New Orleans area need updated window frame replacement, weatherproof window installation Bucktown, Louisiana, and improved storm protection. From Bucktown LA replacement windows to greater New Orleans replacement windows, the focus is often on blending style, weather resistance, and long-term value. Storm windows remain a valuable option for properties that need extra protection against high winds, rain, and humidity. Combined with energy-efficient windows and expert window sealing, storm windows can help reduce maintenance and protect interior spaces throughout the year. For homes and commercial buildings in Bucktown, Louisiana, window weatherproofing can be especially beneficial during severe weather seasons, and window contractors in Bucktown, Louisiana can recommend the right combination of upgrades for local conditions. Custom windows are ideal for distinctive homes and renovation projects where standard sizes are not enough. Whether you need bay windows for added light, casement windows for ventilation, sliding windows for convenience, or awning windows for improved rain protection. Custom window replacement in Bucktown, LA offers flexibility and visual appeal. Window installation specialists can match the style of the property while still prioritizing performance, insulation, and energy efficiency. Metairie, Louisiana window replacement near Bucktown is another important service area for homeowners and businesses seeking reliable upgrades across the metro region. Jefferson Parish window installation services often include residential window replacement Bucktown, Louisiana, commercial window replacement Bucktown, LA, and vinyl window installation Bucktown, LA for properties that need durable, attractive, and efficient window systems. By choosing local expertise, property owners can ensure their new windows are properly installed for Louisiana's climate. Window upgrade services Bucktown, LA are popular among homeowners who want to improve both aesthetics and functionality without doing a full renovation. Replacing old single-pane units with double-pane windows or triple-pane windows can significantly improve indoor comfort, while new energy-saving windows Louisiana help reduce monthly bills. Residential window replacement. Bucktown, Louisiana often includes upgrades such as custom windows, picture windows, and better window frame repair options to enhance both the inside and outside of the home. House window replacement Bucktown, LA is a practical investment for older properties with drafty frames, fogged glass, or worn seals. New windows can transform the look of a home while improving sound control, UV protection, and energy performance. Window replacement Bucktown, LA projects often start with an inspection to determine whether window repair, window glass replacement, or full window frame replacement is needed. From there, homeowners can choose the best combination of materials and styles for their goals. Window contractors in Bucktown, Louisiana also support large-scale renovation projects and property improvements for landlords, investors, and businesses. Whether the job involves commercial window replacement Bucktown, LA, residential window replacement Bucktown, Louisiana, or a full window installation in a mixed-use building, the right team can handle it efficiently. Window contractors can also help with storm windows, sliding windows, casement windows, and custom windows to match the architecture and performance requirements of the property. Energy-efficient windows are especially valuable in Bucktown, Louisiana, where humidity and heat can put constant pressure on heating and cooling systems. Double-pane windows and triple-pane windows offer improved insulation, while professional window sealing and window insulation services further reduce air leakage. These upgrades can be paired with vinyl windows, custom windows, or replacement windows to create a complete solution that improves comfort and lowers energy waste.